sustainable development. This was something that came up in 1992 के Rio Summit में आया. Okay, and we are discussing what's good, what's bad about it, क्या challenges हैं. So इस challenges में one of the conclusions was that in today's geopolitical conditions, these kind of treaties are difficult to survive. The Rio Summit था, followed by Kyoto रहा, followed by Paris Agreement रहा. Okay, so the kind of geopolitical conditions we have, okay, sustainable development as a development strategy, okay, will be difficult to pursue. Because देखो, इस paradigm का एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा है, okay, that we have to work for removing poverty in the developing world. This is why we said we have the economics of development, we have the ecology issues, and we have social issues. अगर आप ये तीनों balance नहीं कर पाओगे, your sustainable development can't work. And for dealing with social issues and poverty, you need a lot of finance and technical support from the developed world. The US must contribute, the EU must contribute, there must be some funding coming from China for that matter, Australia must be part of the contribution, New Zealand must have some allocations. So without that type of financial support, ये social agenda बनेगा ही नहीं. And you know about the entire ecology, economy की बात कर रहे हैं, ecology की बात कर रहे हैं. Remember our emission targets? But emission targets के सर पे कौन है? It's essentially the developed countries. So sustainable development as a paradigm of development, okay, when the geopolitical conditions are very fluid, this does not look like a priority. जब यूक्रेन और रशिया का वॉर चल रहा है, you think आपका priority है कि पेड़ लगाओ? Okay, when entire EU is at its edge. Okay, Russia कहाँ जाएगा, क्या करेगा, nuclear bomb. Last week we had those civilian bombings in Kyiv and Ukraine, right? ऐसे conditions में, you think the world is concerned about, or the US is concerned about कितने पेड़ लगे हैं, कितने पौधे उगा रहे हैं हम लोग. So the direct consequence, okay, the point here is, okay, the consequence of global conflicts will be the multilateral agreements getting compromised. इसी context में, okay, वही article मैं दोबारा बता रहा हूँ. He says, India के लिए challenge होगा if we can maintain some semblance of multilateralism in 2023. Because 2023 में ये war तो खत्म होने वाला दिख नहीं रहा है. Okay, and अगर winter survive हो गया, Russia comes back with more aggression maybe. Putin is greatly diminished today. Okay, China is trying to break from Russia in some ways because maybe it realized that this is a lose-loss war for Putin. ऐसे conditions में, when India takes the presidency of G20, okay, so 2023 में, if India can maintain a semblance of multilateralism, okay, it will be a huge success for India. So ऐसे में, we say, what happens to sustainable development? Okay, sustainable development as a concept, sustainable development as a concept, okay, will be challenged. I'm expecting a question on this year. किसी तरह से पूछेगा आपको, ऐसे में पूछ सकता है. They can ask you in the mains, they can ask you in the prelims. Okay, कि sustainable development का, what is its future? What can India do? Okay, relate about the geopolitical issues and see what the consequences can be. Okay, in the Express, the article's name is Power Play Beyond G20. Power Play Beyond G20.